dark store is basically a store where there is no light.
क्या
Correct?
क्या बोल रहा है? No guys, dark store is not a place that does not have light. It is actually in the dark part of the city. A dark store is basically a discrete location that the brands invest in, where it's a warehouse with very little manpower. It can be a small storeroom, and they are placed in strategic locations across the city where where there is high likelihood or has a lot of population density.
The three different platforms charged us differently, and all three of them showed different ETAs. So, for example, we ordered a Diet Coke, right? So on Instamart, it was showing me 38 rupees, but on Zepto, it was showing me 40 rupees. So that actually plays a part. On different platforms, you will find a different price for any particular item. So you will be charged at a basic cost of a particular item. Plus, all these platforms will charge you on the basis of handling fees. Now, what is handling fees? We ordered ice cream and a soft drink, which require a cold environment, and that's why they charge on the basis of how the product will be handled, as compared to a normal product like chips, which do not require any particular handling environment, and that's why they don't charge fees on items like chips. So that's why all these three different platforms will charge you different handling fees, and then comes platform fees. So that's why on each platform we were getting different cost price, is because of their handling fees and platform fees.
While Samarth spoke about how the costs are different and why there is a different type of cost associated with each, we also need to take into consideration the time that it takes to deliver the order. Now, we already spoke about dark stores earlier. Each dark store is placed at a different location. For example, if I stay near the highway, or if Samarth stays near the railway station, a different service can have a nearer dark store to your location. So we are sitting in office right now. The nearest dark store to us that we could see on the map was actually of the Swiggy Instamart, and that is the reason why the delivery came first. So whenever in times of immediate need or urgent need, my go-to option would be Swiggy Instamart. But if I want a more cost-effective option and I don't mind waiting for longer, what I would do is I would do a comparative analysis of the costs of the three platforms, and then pick the one that is the most cost efficient to me, which in this case was Zepto for the three examples that we took. But the surprising thing about this is that despite of them being very, very differently positioned services, the response time and the cost that they are charging for the service and the service that they are providing are very, very different, as we saw. On the basis of that, the customer experience and the end goal of why hyperlocal deliveries or quick commerce deliveries are gaining so much traction is because of the rising consumer demand. Earlier, we were okay with getting groceries once a month. Now we are not okay with getting groceries once a month. We want orders more quickly at our doorstep as soon as possible. That is the reason why quick commerce companies are fostering. And before we let you go, we keep on talking about all of these topics,
and we keep looking for ideas as well. So let us know in the comment what topic we should do the video next,
and we will push a video on that as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.